Hey guys, welcome back to Yankee Valley Outdoors. And in today's video, we are going to be replacing the headlamps on my 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. Without further ado, let's get right into it. All right guys, so we got the Mercury Grand Marquis right here. We got our replacement headlights in the box. It's supposedly pretty easy. You're just supposed to pull up. On these things right here, and then it should come off. But this one's a little stuck. So I might have to mess with this. So I gotta pull those up. And that's how you're supposed to leave. Okay, there you go. Yeah. You pull that up like that. Pull the other one up. This may be a little bit harder. But you get the point. You're supposed to pull up on that. Maybe this one on this side is a little bit easier. Yes. Gotta make sure I keep track of these. Keep them on the right side. I don't think that really matters too much, but it could. There's a chance it could. Yeah, so I just need to now do the same process with the other ones. But this will be really nice to have new headlamps. Got the first one almost in. Then we have this one. This was the better of the two, but you can see the difference. All right, guys, here's both of the headlamps done. As you can see, they're quite shiny. It's been a while since I recorded the first part of this video when it was done in the first place, and they've gotten a little dirty. I just got the car washed, but still they need wiped down. I should spray them so they don't oxidize, I think that's the right word, so they don't end up looking like the side ones. But yeah, they were so bad. They had to be done, and now they're done, and I'm happy with them. I mean, they could be a little brighter, but that's the bulbs, and I'll get into that in a second. But definitely nice and clean. Definitely gives me way more visibility than before, and looks so much better than what they did. It's nice trying to add in some upgrades to this. Well, I wouldn't say upgrades, more like just putting it the way it should be, so it's usable for me on a day-to-day basis. But look at that shine. Now let me show you guys the bulbs I got. The bulbs are Termiter LED lights. I got these off Amazon. I think they're around 40 bucks. That and the headlamps all together, I think, were like 118, somewhere around that. I mean, don't quote me on that. I don't exactly remember, but it was a pretty good deal for these as well as these. It's quite windy out here, guys. But yeah, these are the ones I got. Those also came with new headlights, and they're in here for later. But the headlights are quite bright. I mean, I could say they could be a little brighter, but they're quite bright. And it's not really nice being able to actually see the deer, so I don't hit one or see really anything while I'm driving. But it's really nice to have this upgrade, and maybe I could upgrade even better than this, but definitely happy so far. Obviously it is daylight right now, so you can't really see too well, but the headlights are on, as you can see right there. I'll show you guys again when it gets dark. All right guys, here are the low beams and here are the high beams. As you can see, they're pretty bright lights. I got both the headlamps and the bulbs off of Amazon. As I said, a total of about $118. Pretty good deal to be able to actually see. Thank you guys so much for watching Yankee Valley Outdoors. It was awesome to be able to get the new headlamps put in, as well as the brand new bulbs. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. Actually being able to, see when I'm going down the road, not smacking into a deer because of my lack of vision. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, hit that notification bell, and subscribe for more content. Really appreciate all of you guys coming here and checking this video out. All right, guys, keep it electrified. I'll see y'all later.